This is how to fix a slow filling toilet. Most of the time this is caused by debris obstructing the water flow, so all you need to do is clean out the debris and it'll be fixed. And this can be done in 2 simple steps. The first thing you must do anytime you're working on a toilet is to turn off the water supply. This can be done by turning it to the right. Step 1 is to clean out your fill valve. This whole piece right here, from here to the bottom of the tank, is the fill valve. To do this, we need to remove this cap right here. Now I find these 2 tools to be very helpful. I just find it makes this process a little easier. I simply take this little hook, it's going to go right underneath here, and I get this one, and I'm going to push that way on that side, and this is going to pop off, so don't get your face in the way. I like that. And here's what the cap looks like. I find it easier to get it off that way. Trying to put your fingers down there and get your nails underneath and pull on it, it's just a pain in the butt. Next thing you need to do is loosen this and remove it. It's very simple. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So I just lift that up like that and turn. And it pops right off. Now we're going to flush the debris out of this fill valve by turning on the water supply down here. Either cover up with your hand or use you like a cup or some plastic. Covered up that way. I'm using plastic so you can see. Come down here, turn on the water supply. Turn it back off, and that will flush out any debris. Now reconnect this. Remember, righty-tighty, so we're going to the right. Put our cap back on. Now check it to see if it fills up with water. That's going to solve the issue for the majority of you, and if it does, well then you don't even have to worry about step 2. But if your toilet tank still refuses to fill up with water, then we're going to have to move on to step 2. Step 2 is we need to flush out our water supply line here that's going to our toilet to see if there's any debris or obstruction in there. So grab some kind of a bucket and place it right down there. Now what we need to do is disconnect this from the tank. Turn it to the left. The reason the bucket is there to catch any water. Catch any water. Now that this is disconnected, simply flush it out. Hold your hose in your bucket and turn on the water supply. I like that, see? Now turn it back off. And that should clean out any debris that's in your hose there. Now just reattach your hose. Just hand tighten it real good. You don't need to use a wrench or anything. Now put your lid back on. Turn on your water supply. So that's it, my friends. That is how to fix a toilet that is filling up too slowly. Now if the problem is still persisting, then your fill valve right here is malfunctioned, it's not working right, and it needs to be replaced. The good thing is, it only costs $10, and I can show you how to do it step by step by clicking right here.